Hi everyone, thank you once again. This is Oscar again from Cubicle Ninja, and welcome everyone. And we are here for your to our full tutorial crash course on how you can create an e-commerce drop shipping on builderall platform. Okay, so I'm gonna tackle first and foremost, the builder all layout, the dashboard, and without further ado, I'm gonna go over and have to screen share with you. Okay, there you go. Just bear with me, and we just need to go to the builder all site, like what you are seeing here. Okay, so basically, I'm gonna go tour you over inside the platform, and I know most of you have seen me done a lot of video tutorial on our group on in our page. So today, what we are going to do is we are going to create a brand new template on your website. You know, kind of like e-commerce website that we are going to fix. Okay, so first thing we need to go is, of course, if you're not familiar with your builder or platform yet, you need to practice and you need to go over to the dashboard most of the time so you can be, familiarized with what apps that we have here. So anyway, the first thing you need to go is go to the website builder right here. Just click that button. And okay, for me, whenever I create a new website, what I do is normally I create structure, right? First, and then I will show you what is that like. So let's say if I create a new site, all you just need to do is create a new site under on this right side hand, okay? And then click the new template. Okay, so click that one, and then you have to think you need to name your website first. And what I normally do is I choose the blank one. Okay, choose the blank one because we are going to create a brand new e-commerce, okay, platform. And then all you just need to do is basically select this, right? And then save. All right. So it will bring you to the new dashboard where you can edit your site here. Okay, so first thing you will see is the home page. Okay, basically it's only one page you will see here, and we are going to create from scratch. So that's how it should be. Okay, so in order for you, I will suggest to have. I'm gonna show you over to the website on Shopify, so we can able to be able to find a template, for us, to at least copy, right? Because otherwise, you will have no idea. If you're really not a web designer, you have no clue. And most of us, you start on Builderall. We are not really, computer savvy, as I've mentioned in my webinar. We came in builder all to learn, and that's what we're going to do. And for the years of me creating a website, of course I need to see a layout first, and what I recommend is go to the Shopify. Okay, Shopify website, shopify.ca, shopify.com, and go to these under the cell. You will see the online store where we can get a theme sample of what is normally uh, e-commerce website look like. And from here, you can, you know, choose what kind of website you like, what kind of, let's say, product that you have in mind. And from here, we can at least, find something to start, right? And I would suggest, okay, in order for this tutorial, just for you to get, hang of it, we want to try and get a website that is just simple enough for you to start to learn. Okay, so that's what we're going to do. You're not gonna pick like this website here that kind of like I'll show you. If we click the demo, this is for more kind of like an advanced user. Okay, as you can see the layout of this website, right? There's a lot of pages, there's a lot of sub menu, but I'm not saying you cannot do this on builderall, but what I'm trying to say here is you don't want to create or start a website that is kind of like a like more complicated to start with, right? So basically, you want to start with something that is, just easy enough for you to play around and learn. Okay. So I would suggest, we'll go back and the having, a simple theme that you can start with, like for example, this themes that it shows up here, which is the debut theme. I'll show you what is that like. If we click here, yeah, as you can see, this is more of a more simplicity, right? More easy. If you kind of like just wanted to know what is builderall, how you're going to create a website on builderall platform. So what I'm saying is we will just copy what is this template look like basically. Okay, so it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, 5 pages. Okay, so what does that mean? It means it has 4 actually. No, actually 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 major pages. Okay, that on the website. Okay, so meaning they have home, and then we will create another pages which is the shop. This is how I start creating a website. I have to start with the structure first, structure pages, and from there I can start working inside the panel. But at this time what I do is I'm kind of like building up all the structure, and then I start working inside of it. So basically, this is what it's gonna look like. So when you see, and let's say if we publish this website that we are creating, what you will see on the site, literally on the website itself, is the home, which is, as you can see here, home. That's how it's gonna the layout look, when it's done. Okay, the shop. Okay, so the shop, and then we need to add and create another new page, which is stories. Okay, so we just wanted to start with something that is not really complicated to work on, for you to be able to learn the builder or platform. um, it also apply not only in creating an e-commerce website. It applies to anything that you are going to create on builderall. What does that mean? It means when creating a website, you need to have a structure first. So basically, this is what you're going to do, the same method that you're going to do when you are creating a sales funnel, a webinar, sales funnel, and all types of website. So that what this basically is. Okay. So building up the structure first. Okay. So we've got home, we got shop, we got stories. I told you, you need to copy because if you have no idea or pattern that you want to, start with, you will be kind of like have no clue what it's gonna look like. It's okay to copy. It's okay to duplicate other website. As you will learn how to create your own creatives, you will learn how to do different things. But as you are getting started, you want to copy other website or other templates, and that is totally fine. Okay. So we got stories, and then we need to add and create a new page, which is, of course, the about. Okay. I think basically this website is more of a niche product, meaning this is not a general store. What I mean by that, this is not a lot of product that they have inside. As you can see, they only have a bag. Okay, it's not like all product that you can see online, like AliExpress, like uh, cameras, beauty products, computers. So this is basically a niche, targeted product that they are selling. This is why they have stories about and contact. This is not a general store. This is a niche type of e-commerce website. Okay, so we got stories about, and I think we need to add that contact. Okay, that's how you're going to construct a website. Especially if you never tried the builder all at all yet. So basically, you just save it. It's kind of like you're just creating a structure. It's like you're building a house. You need to put one post to one each side in order to create a house. That's what I'm doing here. Okay. So what else is important? Okay. Let's check through. For a website, it's important, especially on e-commerce, you need to have this thing here, the shipping and return policy. Okay, that's what we need to add. The terms of service, and of course the privacy policy. You need to add those. Okay, and that's what we're going to do. That's another page. But here, as you can see here, this is similar to creating a header. This is a header, but this one is a page under the footer section. This is a footer section. So that's what we're going to do. And we're going to add uh, privacy policy, or let's say, yeah, we'll start with the privacy policy. Okay. And as you can see, I've been doing a lot of websites, so it's already in there. Okay, we can come back and add description on each pages. But for now, I'm trying to build up, this website for us, to get started something. You know what I mean? There you go. All right. So you get the home, you get the shop, you get the stories, you get the about, contact, privacy policy, and I think what we need to add next is the terms of website use. It is important to have those on a website. Okay, terms of website use. Then we add another page here for footer section. Okay, so we have privacy policy, terms of website use, and what else they have in there. Let me see. They have a shipping and return policy, which is very, very important if you are doing a drop shipping. Okay, your customer need to know shipping, and most of the time, buyers know online. This is the first page or first, a thing that they usually check, the shipping and return policy, because they don't know, how long will the shipping would take, and of course the return policy. So if you're like me, for example, I'm buying something online, this is the thing that I want to check first. And we're gonna have to cover all of that, okay? So done, okay? You basically have the structure, okay? What else? What else do we need to have on the website? Of course, you need to have a thank you page. This is important, okay? So thank you page is the most important thing. So your customer, would think that, you care for them, right? Thank you for your buying this product or any services. They would feel that, they have an importance to you, not just like, having them buy your product and then goodbye. No. So the thank you page is also one of the most important thing that you are going to have on your website. Okay. But this thank you page will not shows up on your website itself. It goes under at the back of your website. Okay. So basically, we have all the structure. Okay. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to, so I told you, go on the website under the Shopify if you want to, have a pattern, right? Go to the shopify.co.com under the cell. Okay. When you get there into the website, you have to click the theme so you can be able to see their templates. Okay, templates that you kind of like a pattern that you want to, have, and for you to be able to create a website. Okay, I'm going to show you what is this like. Okay, what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to republish this, meaning, make it live right now and make it live. Okay, so let's see if we go to the, I'm pretty much sure this is blank. This is blank because we didn't add any content or material yet. So as you can see, it's basically blank because it's not ready. We didn't put any content or images or anything, so it's blank. So this is how you are going to lay out a website. Okay, I don't want to, have a continuous video on this tutorials. What I would like is take at least 10, 15, 20 minutes time, step by step, so you will be able to learn all this and you will not feel bored, taking so much time and explaining everything one time, like an hour or two. You will feel tired and you will feel bored. And what I would like you to do is, of course, if you are in your dashboard, you gotta do it, while I'm showing you this. What I'm trying to say here is, whatever I'm doing right now is you have to apply while you are watching. And from that moment, you will learn right away and you will not go back to the video and, run it again and again. So in this way, you will learn, very quickly. Okay. So that's how I would like you to, learn more faster, because in my program, I've said it is a 60 days learn and earn process. If you learn fast, not even 60 days, 30 days, you will be able to create more website, learn all how to create sales funnel, webinar funnels, and all kind of website that you want to, create. And for that reason, you'll be able to offer that services to your client. And yeah, that's basically how I want you to learn. So for now, we tackle this uh, tutorial, creating, structure of your website, how you're going to create a website, and also getting a template from other service of other company for you to be able to duplicate, right? What they already have on that site. And it is natural and it's okay to copy others' website at the moment while you're learning. And then, as I've said, if you learn more, you can create your own way. How do you want your website to be look like and lay out the way you love? Okay, so see you in the next video, and I'm gonna have this on our page, on our exclusive mastery Facebook pages. Okay. See you next time and have a great day. Bye.